To maximize Revolut Premium Metal Cashback rewards, start by understanding the program. Revolut Premium offers a metal card with various benefits, including cashback on certain purchases. The cashback percentage varies depending on the type of purchase and the merchant. First, ensure you have a Revolut Premium Metal account, as this is a requirement to earn cashback rewards. Next, familiarize yourself with the cashback categories, which may include groceries, gas, dining, and travel. Some merchants may offer higher cashback percentages than others, so it is essential to know which ones provide the best rewards. To earn cashback, simply use your Revolut Premium Metal card for eligible purchases. The cashback will be credited to your account automatically, usually within a few days of the transaction. Keep track of your cashback earnings through the Revolut app, which provides a clear breakdown of your rewards. To maximize your cashback rewards, focus on using your Revolut Premium Metal card for daily purchases, especially in categories with high cashback percentages. For example, if you earn 5% cashback on groceries, try to use your card for all your grocery purchases. Additionally, consider using your card for larger purchases, such as travel or electronics, to earn more cashback. Another way to maximize your rewards is to take advantage of limited-time offers and promotions. Revolut often partners with specific merchants to provide exclusive cashback deals, so keep an eye on the app for these opportunities. You can also earn cashback on foreign transactions, making the Revolut Premium Metal card an excellent choice for international travel. Finally, make sure to meet the minimum spending requirements to maintain your Revolut Premium membership and continue earning cashback rewards. By following these steps and being mindful of your spending habits, you can maximize your Revolut Premium Metal cashback rewards and get the most out of your account.